In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur backgrounds in Canva. Whether you're looking to add focus to your subject or simply want to create a stunning visual effect, blurring backgrounds can definitely elevate your design. So let's dive right in and uncover how you can achieve this effortlessly using Canva. To begin with, you'll want to have your design ready in Canva. If you haven't already, launch the Canva app or website and open up the design where you want to blur the background. Once your design is open, our first objective is to select the background that you want to blur. Start by clicking on the background itself. This action will highlight the background layer, allowing you to apply further edits. Now with the background selected, the next step is to head to the top of the screen and click on the edit button. This will open up a range of tools that you can use to modify the selected layer. Among these tools you should see the blur option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll have the ability to control the blur effect on your photo. Canva offers flexibility with how you want to apply the blur effect. One method is to use the brush tool, which allows you to manually blur selected areas. This is particularly useful if you're aiming to retain sharpness around a central figure or object while softening the areas around it. Simply adjust your brush size as needed and brush over the areas you want to blur. It's like painting on your canvas but with a stylish blur. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quicker approach or want to apply a uniform blur across the entire background, you can click on the whole image option. This feature will blur the entire background in one swift move. It's ideal if you're focusing on a subject in the foreground and wish to make the background less distracting. Once you have chosen your desired method, you can refine the intensity of the blur effect. Do this by dragging the intensity circle. If you move the circle to the right, you'll increase the blur, giving you a more pronounced effect, while dragging it to the left will decrease the blur for a subtler finish. This customization option allows you to find the perfect balance for the effect you're seeking. And there you have it. Blurring backgrounds in Canva is a straightforward yet powerful technique to enhance your visuals. With just a few clicks, you can transform your entire design. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and informative, and that you now feel more confident in elevating your designs with this stylish effect. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.